Well, welcome back to Big Beautiful Traveling. Today I'm going to be modifying my Triton 4 kayak or canoe trailer here. I'm going to be taking these cross arms off, and I'm going to be placing that sheet of 1/8 inch 4x8 aluminum on the decking, and then I will have a toolbox that's going to set on this side, and I'll have my bicycle mounted up on the top of that. To get this apart, I've got 6 bolts on, I'm sorry, 5 bolts on each one of these arms, 4 in the back, 2 in the middle, and then 4 up here at the front. So I'll get those off here, and then I'll show you the next steps. Okay, well, I got the both of the arms off. There's the other one. That's what it's like there without it on there. I now have my aluminum all laid out here, so I can get around my fender wells, and I'm going to get this cut up. Alright, got it all laid out, got it cut out, and now sitting on the trailer. So this is what it looks like here. I'm going to round these corners off here a little bit to soften those. But I got the first couple holes drilled here, and then I'll put the rear cross brace back on it, get the 2 bolts on this side, and then I'll drill the other holes. So it's taking shape. That's what she's looking like so far. Alright, I got everything mounted up here. So I got the 4 there, the 2 there, and the 4 back there all tightened down, mounted up. And like I said, I'm going to order like a 5-foot toolbox. It'll set in between this side over here, and I will mount my bicycle on the top of that, so I'll be able to carry all my gear inside the box and keep it secure. And at least 3 kayaks or 2 kayaks on the one side, and everything will be ready to rock and roll. So I've got a Hobie Pro Angler 14 that I picked up here a few weeks ago along with this trailer. And the only thing I got left to do is I'll knock these corners off right here. I'm going to round those. I'm just going to follow the shape of the inside there and round those off, so it kind of goes along with the trailer edge. But that's how she is. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. This has been Big Beautiful with trailer modification for my kayaks. Have a great day. Thanks. Simple as that.